What if the love that you have been praying for is just one step away? Alam niyo po, hindi talaga naging madali yung relationship namin ni Afam because of our age gap. So, ilan nga ba yung age difference namin? 24 years po. At una kaming nagka-chat last year, August, and after a month of talking to each other, yun, nag-chat siya sa akin na let's be friends na lang daw. And then I asked him why. Kasi nga, sabi niya, masyado daw siyang matanda para sa akin at masyado akong bata para sa kanya. Pero tingnan niyo naman kami ngayon, naging successful din at we are happily in love with each other. So now, kung single ka pa rin at naghahanap ka ng true love, then the dating service that I would highly recommend to all of you is Christian Filipina Dating Service. Why? Because this is a safe dating place to all of you at marami na din yung naging successful relationship dito and now they are living a happily ever after together. So sign up now on Christian Filipina. You can see the link on my bio.